Hello, I have a 2018 Ford Transit and the AC compressor is not working. If you run into this problem, you want to actually check this fuse and this fuse. If one of them are blown, of course, change that fuse. Now they're going to operate this relay and this relay. That's a purpose for them. Now if that's working fine and correctly, the fuses are working, the relays are working, chances are, check this relay here. There's going to be most likely the problem for your AC clutch not working, not engaging. And if you can probably wiggle it and it'll probably start working. Even if that's the case, replace this right away. Get with your local Ford dealer, go ahead and order this, and I'm going to show you the part number and the price. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos on Ford Transits. Take care and God bless.